We're gonna check on this cornbread, and this is what we are looking for. Baby, look at that thing. Now let's see what the toothpick tells us. If the toothpick says it's done, then we know it's done. Come on, man. Money. Money. Well, go on, everyone. So today we're going to do something different. We're going to do some cornbread on the grill. Now, I've been vetoed out of the cornbread making process. My daughter wants to do the cornbread herself. So here goes. So you guys might be like saying, why is he doing this very simple cornbread recipe? I don't know how to bake, and the Jiffy is consistent and it comes out good every single time. So I'm going to use that. If you have another recipe that you like, your grandma's recipe, anything, use that recipe. The only thing we're changing, we're not cooking this in the oven. We're going to do it on the grill. So we're going to use the 26-inch Weber kettle, and I'm going to show you guys the setup right now. So here's our setup on the Weber kettle 26. If you got a 22, that can work as well. But we have a base of B&B char logs, which are unlit. We have a little bit of lit lump charcoal, and then we have 3 wood chunks. If you want to see all my fire management setups, tips, and tricks, make sure you go check out my book, Wrangling Fire. It is now on Amazon. We're going to shut this down, and we want the lid to be reading about 400 degrees. Bottom vents are wide open right now. Let's get going. So the reason why I like to use the Jiffy cornbread mix for my cornbread is because it's very easy, very simple. But if you have another cornbread recipe that you want to use and make it on the grill, this is just the grill procedure that I wanted to show you guys. Doesn't matter what my recipe is, you can make it your own. I am going to put this recipe, however, up on the website, so make sure you guys go see that. It will be linked in the description below. Keep following. Right now our kettle is up to temp. My daughter is gonna get the cornbread right on the grill. We have it offset of the fire, so we're gonna show you guys what that looks like. This is going to cook for about 45 to 50 minutes. Just checking on the smoker, you guys can see that it is hovering right there, just about 375. That is perfect temp to bake, and we're just letting it go. You can see that clean smoke. We don't have no dirty smoke around here. We're just using a couple pieces of hickory chunks, but we have this cornbread going in the smoker, looking amazing. Let's go. So right now it's been 50 minutes in. We're gonna check on this cornbread. So we're gonna flip this around and let this side go towards the heat. All right, there we have it. So we're gonna cover this down and we're gonna give it another 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll show you guys what it's looking like. This cornbread is ready. We have one more step, and do not skip this crucial step. So you have to glaze this with a half a stick of butter, And what we're gonna do, we're just rubbing a softened stick of butter. It's been sitting out room temp, and we're just rubbing it around. Now, when you rub that butter on the edge right there, that skillet is melting that, and some of that butter is going down on the bottom of this cornbread. Y'all, we have no dry cornbreads around here. All right, check this out. It's a beautiful thing. The color on the top is amazing. Perfect doneness. And we have plenty of charcoal left over. We're going to take this off of the grill. And right now we're going to let that cool down. And then we're going to cut into it and show you guys what it looks like.
It looks warm delicious. I can't even lie.
Okay. So if you've never made a cornbread on the grill, this is your sign to go ahead and make one. The full recipe will be up on my website. The link is in the description. Make sure you guys go check it out. If you want to see the merch, it's here too. Peace. Hit that subscribe button. Yep, that's good, bro.